Hello students, Ncert Solutions, Class 11 Physics, Chapter number 9, Mechanical Properties of Solids. Question number 6. The edge of aluminium cube are 10 cm long. One face of the cube is firmly fixed to a vertical wall. A mass of 100 kg is then attached to opposite face of the cube. The shear modulus of the aluminium is 25 gigapascal. What is the vertical deflection of this face? In this question, given that a cube of aluminium, each side is 10 centimeter long, and this cube is attached with vertical wall, and a mass of 100 kg is then attached to the opposite face. This aluminium cube, each side is 10 centimeter and 100 kg mass is attached opposite face like this, due to which this cube deflect in the side. And suppose this is delta L, this is also delta L here. What is the vertical deflection of this face? We have to calculate the value of this delta L. And here this F is equal to mg, and this m is 100 into g. Now given that this side L is equal to 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter, and the shear modulus, that is denoted by capital G, is equal to 25 gigapascal, and this is 25 into 10 to the power 9 Pascal. Here we have to calculate the value of delta L. Now we know that the shear modulus is equal to tangential stress upon shearing strain or this capital G is equal to tangential strain means this deforming force is along the tangent or parallel to the surface of this cube, and this is equal to tangential stress is equal to force upon area. The shearing strain is delta L upon L. On solving this, F into L, A delta L, and hence this delta L is equal to F into L upon A into G. Now on putting the values, F is equal to this 100 into G, 9.8 into length 0.01, and this is 0.10, and area is how much? 10 into 10, this is 100 into 10 to the power minus 4 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट किया, and this is G is equal to how much? 25 into 10 to the power 9. This cancel 100, and this 9.8 into 0.1, this is equal to 0.98 upon this 25 into 10 to the power, this minus 4 and this is plus 5, this minus 5 here, right? And on dividing this by 25, this is equal to 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So this is the value of deflection. In this question, this cube is given, and this cube is attached with the vertical wall, and a mass of 100 kg is attached with this face, opposite face of the cube. Then we have to calculate the deflection. हमें इस डेल्टा एल की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है इस क्यूब के अपोजिट फेस के साथ. एक फेस तो इस वर्टिकल वॉल के साथ अटैच है, अपोजिट फेस के साथ 100 केजी का हमने एक मास अटैच कर दिया. तो डेल्टा एल हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, वैल्यूज गिवन है. वी नो दैट shear modulus is tangential stress upon this is force along the tangent. That's why this is tangential stress upon shearing strain. And this stress, force upon area, So this is F upon A, and strain is delta L upon L. This is FL upon A delta L. Now this can be written as delta L is equal to FL upon Ag. Now on putting the values and on solving, this is 0.98 upon 25 into 10 to the power minus 5, and on solving this is 3.9 into 10 to the power minus 7. This is the answer. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको समझ में आया. थैंक यू.